Welcome to the Weekly Bat.
Welcome to the Weekly Bat for the week of February 14th, 2020. Happy Valentine's Day, all. This week we're going to kick off with an announcement. Sponsored images are now available on all Brave platforms, rewarding users who opt into Brave Rewards with 70% of the ad revenue. And here's an excerpt from the official blog post. Brave users will notice that their new tab page features a sponsored image, which is shown in every fourth new tab and alternates with Brave's regular background images for new tabs. Sponsored images reward Brave users with 70% of the ad revenue when they opt into Brave Rewards. Sponsored images give select advertisers the ability to place a branded image and logo in the new tab page, reaching the full 100% of Brave's audience of over 11 million monthly active users. We are thrilled to announce that our launch partner BlockFi is the advertiser for this current campaign, which will run for 10 days. BlockFi is a financial services company focused on products and services designed specifically for cryptocurrencies, such as an interest account allowing users to earn compound interest on their Bitcoin and other crypto assets. The BlockFi campaign will be seen by Brave users in the USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and the United Kingdom. Up next, this is a tweet from the HTC Exodus official Twitter account. They say, ad blocking web browser Brave is recommended and pre-installed on the HTC Exodus. The browser is known for offering BAT token, or basic attention token, a share of ad revenue if users opt into seeing ads. So cool. Up next is a personal story from one of our Redditors. I work as a PC administrator, and because of that, I was able to spread the love for Brave. For the last 3 months, I've been able to get more than 50 monthly active users. I live in a small town, so I'm pretty proud of my achievement. Hey, that's awesome. We think this is a major achievement. Thanks for all the support, and keep it up. Up next, some fan art. Are you on the market for a new mobile wallpaper or perhaps some lock screen artwork? Well, a lovely user from Reddit created a really funky bat wallpaper for mobile, and it's free to download and use. You can get to it through the Weekly Bat blog post, so enjoy! And of course, thank you to the creator, CoinReturn1 on Reddit. You're awesome. Also be sure to see the Weekly Bat blog post for more fan art by Marty K, another user who did a basic attention token and Kirby crossover. The result? Bat Kirby. I know, cool, right? Somebody actually already got it printed onto a t-shirt. Don't miss it. Up next, Creator Spotlight in partnership with Everopedia. Our first featured creator of the week is Lord Draconical on YouTube. Drax's videos on Nerf toy gun reviews and epic trick shots have racked him up over 725,000 subscribers on YouTube so far. Links to Drax's YouTube channel and Everopedia entry can be found in the Weekly Bat blog post. Our next featured creator is Javi Ayul on YouTube. Javi's musical talent has won him over 2 million subscribers on YouTube so far, and he is also a Bitcoin enthusiast. Once again, channel links and links to Everopedia entries can be found in the Weekly Bat blog post, so check out the blog post. Client updates. This week, the beta channel progressed to version 1.4.86, the dev channel progressed to version 1.5.90, and the release channel progressed to version 1.3.155. Bat and Brave in the news. This piece is from The Register. Google's second stab at preserving both privacy and ad revenue draws fire. While Turtle Dove may need further work before the web community accepts it, the Brave browser already has a privacy-preserving client-side ad system in place. In his own Twitter thread on Turtle Dove, Peter Snyder, privacy researcher at Brave Software, elaborated on some of the potential problems with Google's approach. News you should know. Daniel Meisler. The dark web has nothing on data brokers. Here's an excerpt from the article. For me, and for most of the other security professionals I know, the dark web is insignificant compared to its corporate counterparts. There are thousands of companies that legally, professionally, and efficiently collect, organize, and sell your data, and they do so as completely legal businesses. This next piece is from Vice. How big companies spy on your emails. The popular Edison email app, which is in the top 100 productivity apps on the Apple App Store, scrapes users' inboxes and sells products based off of that information to clients in the finance, travel, and e-commerce sectors. The contents of Edison's users' inboxes are of particular interest to companies who can buy the data to make better investment decisions, according to a JP Morgan document obtained by Motherboard. Roaring fans. Lord Crust from Twitter says, "Thanks, Brave, for being the best browser for watching anime online." Rob Davies from Twitter says that Brave is his #1 browser on all platforms. Cameron Asa from Reddit says, $175 in ad earnings plus tips to my Reddit and Twitter account. Thank you, Uphold and Brave, for an awesome experience. Revolution is just beginning. And last but not least, Chinese Potatoes from Reddit says, "Thanks, Bat Token. It's amazing that we can make parkour videos and use the tips from that to help pay for our new parkour gym we're building. Crazy era we live in." For links to the full stories and more that we didn't cover in the podcast, be sure to check out the weekly BAT blog post. If you're listening to us on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you're listening on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, or Spotify, please feel free to leave a 5-star review to let us know you're enjoying the podcast. That's it, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for listening. If you like these podcasts, be sure to follow or subscribe to stay up to date with the BAT community.